How to contact Temu customer service. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your Temu app. Make sure you are signed in and now go ahead and tap on the U option you see there on the bottom center of your screen. Now, tap on the support option on the top right of your screen, which looks like a headphone. Further, go ahead and tap on the Contact Us option you see there. You will then be led to the chat page for Temu, where you can report your problems and queries. Now, in the chat box, type in your issue and see if the reply sent to you fixes your issue or not. If not, type in "I want to talk to a human" and send the message. You will then be assigned to a human to help you fix your problem. So, go ahead and type in your issue for a one-on-one conversation with Temu customer service, and if your issue is still not fixed, you can also schedule a call during the conversation. So, this is how you can contact Temu customer service. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.